Silky flan napolitano. A delicious Mexican dessert recipe. This recipe serves 8 to 10 servings. Preparation takes about 20 minutes. And cooking takes around 60 to 75 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1 cup granulated white sugar, 2 tablespoons water, a half teaspoon lemon juice, 8 ounces cream cheese, 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk, 12 ounces evaporated milk, 5 pieces large eggs, 1 tablespoon Mexican vanilla extract, a quarter teaspoon salt, a half cup fresh berries. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Place a large roasting pan on the counter that is big enough to hold your flan mold, a 9-inch round cake pan or a traditional flanera. Step 2. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat, combine the sugar, water, and lemon juice. Stir once to moisten the sugar, then do not stir again. Step 3. Cook the sugar, swirling the pan occasionally, until it turns a deep umber color, about 8 to 10 minutes. Watch closely as it can burn in seconds once it starts to color. Step 4. Immediately pour the hot caramel into your 9-inch cake pan or flanera. Tilt the pan quickly to coat the entire bottom and slightly up the sides. Set aside to harden. Step 5. In a blender, combine the softened cream cheese and the sweetened condensed milk. Blend until completely smooth with no lumps. Step 6. Add the evaporated milk, eggs, vanilla extract, and salt to the blender. Pulse until just combined. Avoid overblending to prevent too many air bubbles. Step 7. Pour the custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve into the caramelized pan. This ensures a perfectly silky texture by removing any stray egg bits or bubbles. Step 8. Cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil. If using a flanera, lock the lid in place. Step 9. Place the flan pan inside the larger roasting pan. Carefully pour hot, not boiling, water into the roasting pan until it reaches halfway up the sides of the flan pan, Bano Maria. Step 10. Carefully transfer the roasting pan to the oven. Bake for 60 to 75 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still has a slight, gelatinous jiggle. Step 11. Remove the flan pan from the water bath and let it cool on a wire rack at room temperature for about 1 hour. Step 12. Refrigerate the flan for at least 4 hours, though overnight is best. This allows the caramel to liquefy and the custard to fully set. Step 13. To serve, run a thin knife around the edge of the pan. Place a large rim serving plate over the pan and quickly flip it over. Let it sit for a moment until you hear the suction release. Step 14. Lift the pan off slowly, allowing the caramel sauce to cascade over the sides. Garnish with fresh berries and mint before slicing. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.